Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up higher yesterday, led by soybeans to the upside. Mixed so far this morning with corn and wheat trading lower while beans continue their march higher. Not really a whole lot of news here in the U.S. that's affecting the soybean market. There is some cash bid strengthening that is helping it a little bit. But the main thing that we think providing support to the soybean market right now is due to the fact that private analysts down in South America continue to lower their forecast for Brazilian bean production. Obviously, the rains they had in there during harvest, a big issue. Everything was perfect for a long time. A couple of months ago, that got flipped on its head, and we're seeing the lowered reductions on their projections due to that. So that's providing some support to the soybean market this morning. Not a whole lot of news out of corn and wheat right now. Obviously, everyone's trying to anticipate how Russia annexing Ukraine, Crimea is going to affect Ukraine's grain export flow. We'll have to see how that pans out. Granted, it's enough to add a little risk premium to the markets this morning, but they're taking a little bit of a breath today. Main story is really soybeans surging higher. So again, beans surging higher. A little bit of a strengthening cash basis here. Producers and crushers, or I'm sorry, not producers, but end users do have a good supply on hand through mid-April at least, but want to secure a little bit more than that, and got a rally in the bean market right now to try and induce some more farmer selling. That way they get that the supply that they need. So rallying on that a little bit, and then of course the lowered estimates down in South America for the beans. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, that's all we've got here today. And again, as we mentioned yesterday on the Wilkins Ag Wire, got a webinar coming up at 2:00 p.m. Central today. That's conjoint with us at Daniels Ag Services and AgriCharts on the 2014 corn and soybean price outlook. So if you want to register for that, head over to Daniels Ag Services, go to webinars. You can register for it there. I think it'll be a great webinar put on with another guy here, John Payne, and I. So we hope you can attend. If not, it will be recorded, so you'll be able to watch it post. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.